if we don't know, then we just aren't gonna do it.
Okay. Welcome to a cheer vlog.
It's break time. It's 2:13. I'd be napping right now. You would?
I smell like trash. Woo! Those are my cheerleaders.
Hello.
Bananas, and we go! Bananas, go, go, bananas, go, bananas, go, go, bananas, go, bananas, go, go, bananas, go, bananas, go, go, bananas.
hob?
I hob.
Hob. Get it.
I'm so funny.
Excited for Friday Night Lights?
I have to wait till 40 comes down. I don't know what's happening.
Are you excited for Friday Night Lights? Yeah. Are you excited?
Say it.
Are you excited for Friday Night Lights?
Kara, don't even try.
Are you?
So the ones that we're not doing are crossed out.
Hi guys, I'm finally home. We just had our first Friday Night Lights and it was so much fun. I was scared that I was gonna forget cheers or dances and I didn't, and it was just so much fun. I don't know, it was a blast. And I really love my team, and I hope you guys liked all the clips from this football game and just the weeks of us practicing to get up to this game. If you guys want more cheer vlogs type thing, comment down below, or don't, because I'm probably going to do these anyway because I think they're really fun and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like this and subscribe to see more of this, and comment anything you want to see, or if you just have any comments, I'll try to reply as much as I can. Alright, peace out.